Welcome to Al-Madina Islamic Kidz TV.
After we stand up and say Rabbana lakal hamd, we gently go down into Sajdah. Sajdah is one of the most special parts of Salah. In Sajdah, we place our forehead, nose, both hands, both knees, and both feet on the ground. This is how we show our love, respect, and obedience to Allah. While we are in Sajdah, we say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. We say it 3 times in Sajdah. Easy meaning for kids. Allah is perfect. My Lord, the one who created me, loves me, and takes care of me. The Most High above everything when we say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. We are saying, my Lord Allah is perfect and the Most High. Easy way to remember. Going to Sajdah, say Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times. Praise Allah and remember that He is the Most High. Sajdah is the closest position to Allah in Salah. It is a beautiful time to praise Allah and make dua with a sincere heart.
Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.